ulompala lo kuthiwa siphuphu uSendelehhashi lo kuthiwa lo wala ku province of KwaZulu-Natal, the same person that's supposed to guide you Malema and to guide the whole EFF and educate them about this province ukuthi aide emagameni ngawenza kuthiwa Marshall Dlamini isiphuphu nje uyazi ukuthenga abantu nje ubulala abantu ngandlela enenza ngayo ngiyazi ke ninedumbu phansi ngaphela kwalokho kuphinde futhi kuzothi wena Sendelehhashi uyisiphuphu esingazi lutho uyisilima uyisayiduku nje lokuhogela amafinyela kaMalema wena inhlangano ngiyayiqala mina inhlangano engenayo inhlobo uSG hlobo iSecretary General oyisiduphunga njengaloko kuthiwa uMarshall Dlamini. Marshall Dlamini, even your own parents, your own family, your own associate, that's why you can even never go to your own village and your own iwadi ngeke uzugcwalise ngisho 2 pool ngeke hlobo because abantu makena bakwazi newadi yakini ngayikwazi ngawo yonke indlala. Same thing applies to Julius Malema. Malema ngaza igcwalise iseshekho ngisho 2 pool. I've said it in advance and I'm saying it right now. Uthina siyathanda kwela kithi without being tribalist, but we are being loved in our own land. Charity begins at home. If you want to know what I'm talking about the Zulu Kingdom. Can you ever imagine the Zulu King? When he walk, he does not walk peacefully. There's always intimidation, positive one, appreciating, taking pictures. Mina nje ngona nje angishawo umoya mina. The president of the Binca Nation, I don't walk peacefully. Angishawo umoya mina. Even in your own land, angishawo umoya mina. People are appreciating us because we are truthful, strong, and powerful, and know who we are. Jacob Zuma, angishawo umoya. You know it. It's very important that you understand all those dynamics politically and political landscape in terms of geographical areas and understanding who belong where and why that person is important and to be appreciated. Mandela can rise from the grave right now. Eastern Cape, South Africa, Africa, and the whole world. So it's important to understand all those things, but you call yourself politician. You can never walk freely as a result of honesty and being truthful to our society and the rest of South African people and the whole African continent. So it's important that you understand all those dynamics. Number one,